The other thing is that when you're creating your video, some people tend to use a very long intro. I don't think that is necessary. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing as we move on. So in today's video, I'll be talking about getting your first 500 subscribers. Our channel just hit 700 subscribers, and now I want to help those who are starting their YouTube channels on the ideas and strategies to consider for them to get their first 500 subscribers on YouTube. The first thing is the quality of your video and the audio. Irrespective of the content that you're creating, whether you're using a camera or whether you're using your mobile phones to record your videos, you must always ensure that your videos are clear, and number two, that the audio you're uploading together with your video on YouTube is very clear. Simply because no one would want to watch a video that is not clear. No one would want to watch a video that maybe they cannot hear what the content creator is saying. So always make sure that your video is a bit clear and your audio is of high quality. Still on the same, there are some pictures called thumbnail on YouTube, or any other time you upload a new video, you want to put a picture that will attract the attention of millions of people on YouTube. So whenever you design your thumbnail, it's good to always make sure that your thumbnail is attractive and it is of high resolution, so that when anybody comes across your video would want to click on your video and at least see what kind of content you have. If you don't create thumbnails for your video, or if you create a thumbnail that is of poor quality, of course no one will want to stop at your video and maybe have a look at it and listen to what you're saying. The other thing is something called the title of your video. For instance, if you're a new YouTuber, maybe sometimes it can be very difficult for people to find your video, simply because there are no other videos that you've made that will that maybe YouTube will use to recommend other videos, or to recommend other videos to YouTube users. When you make your title very clear and very brief, of course, whenever someone tries to search for something on YouTube, your video will always appear somewhere as one of the options available. But when you give your video an irrelevant title, and then when people come there, they find that whatever they are looking for is not what is there, the rating of your YouTube channel will continue going down. Other than having a very clear title or a very good title for your video, the other thing that you should always consider is the description of your video. So YouTube offers you an opportunity to give your video a title and also to give your video a description. So the description, you're going to describe what the viewers will expect in your video. So in your video, make sure that you capture every other word that it is related to your video, because when viewers search for particular videos on YouTube, there are particular words that they use for them to get what they want on YouTube. So try to think of those words, include those words in your description, so that when the viewers will be searching for new videos on YouTube, at least your video can have an opportunity to appear somewhere. There is something we call keywords. Maybe for the new YouTubers, it might be very difficult for you to understand what keywords are and how to use them, and that's what I'm saying now. At this particular level, using a brief title or using a very good description might work for you, and you'll be able to get very many subscribers. The other thing is that when you're creating your video, some people tend to use a very long intro. I don't think that is necessary, because whenever I click on your video, I want to find the information that I'm looking for. I want you to give me what I'm looking for. But when I click your video and then you start giving me some other kind of stories. You spend a whole minute giving me relevant things that will not convince me to subscribe to your YouTube channel. When you get directly into the point that the viewers want to see or want to hear, of course every other person will have a reason to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So always make sure that you're very brief, or your introduction is very brief, and you go straight to the point of why you have created your first of why you have created that particular video. So having those very simple skills and very simple techniques, I believe you'll stand a position to attract viewers to your YouTube channel. For instance, in this channel I've been making videos of different kind, and any other time I make a video, I always ensure that my thumbnails are good, or my thumbnails will attract the viewers' attention. And number two, I always ensure that my titles are very good and my descriptions are good. Whenever a person comes across my video, of course they would want to watch it, and that's why today I am celebrating my first 700 subscribers, and I believe that moving on I'm going to get more subscribers because I believe I'm also creating good content. You are also not left behind. It is not too late for you to start. If you focus on those various aspects that I've given you, I believe you can be somewhere one day. I believe that you can also be able to earn yourself several subscribers. That's for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new here, kindly, I hope you will consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I believe this video will be helpful to you. If you use the tips that I've given you, expect to get something good, expect to get subscribers. Thank you.